This is the sound I was familiar with during my childhood. Every spring in school, we would have tornado drills. Spring was known as tornado season. Tornado season started in March and lasted until August. Most tornadoes occur in spring because this is a period of transition between cold and warm weather. Also, most tornadoes happen in the afternoon between 4 and 7 p.m. for the same reason, after the peak heat of the day and the beginning cool of the evening. Where I grew up in Kansas City, Missouri, this is in the center of the U.S., or the Midwest, known as the heartland of America. This area falls within the region notoriously known as Tornado Alley, where most of the world's tornadoes occur. The U.S. averages about 1,200 tornadoes per year. Most tornadoes occur in Tornado Alley due to its unique geography. Between the cool air coming down off the Rocky Mountains and the warm moist air rising up from the Gulf of Mexico, this meeting of frequent cool and warm temperature fronts are what cause tornadoes to be born. A tornado is defined as a violently rotating column of air in contact with the ground from the clouds. Tornadoes are often described as funnel clouds because their appearance looks much like a funnel, like the kind you pour water in. When a tornado goes over water, it's known as a waterspout. However, when a hurricane comes onto land, it becomes a tornado. Dr. Tetsuo Theodore Fujita was a professor at the University of Chicago and an early pioneer in the field of tornado research. He would often go out in the field and photograph thunderstorms as well as the damage done by tornadoes. In 1971, he developed the internationally recognized scale for measuring tornadoes, which earned him the nickname Mr. Tornado. The Fujita scale, or F scale, is the measure of a tornado's strength based on the damage done by the wind. This was created as a proxy when measurements of accurate wind speed aren't possible. The F-scale system was originally developed by meteorologists and engineers that observed structural damage to buildings, trees, and other objects in the damage path of a tornado. It is most often used for insurance purposes and to determine qualifications for federal disaster relief funding.